Hey everybody, J Rider here. Welcome to my channel. I got the Sena 50S today in the mail and I'm going to unbox it. So if you're interested in the unboxing, then stick around and check it out. Alright, so I got this in the mail today. It is supposed to be a Sena 50S. I previously had the Sena 30K and I used it for a couple of years and it worked pretty good. I would say that the unit itself, the 30K, paired really nice. Here's the box, 50S. I'd say it paired nice. The speakers were okay. As long as you were in town and stuff, you could hear the music pretty good. At speed though, you had to turn up the treble boost and all that just to kind of hear it. One of the helmets I had it in was the LS2 Metro, and then I'm currently riding a Climb 1200 modular. So here's the box. Pretty nice box. And let's get this unwrapped. All right, let's open this up. I would say about the 30K real quick that when you got phone calls, it was really a lot louder and it was crystal clear, and I never had any complaints about somebody not being able to understand me or hear me, even in high winds and stuff. So I probably traveled at least 30,000 miles on that 30K. So let's get to the 50S here. Alright, so it's a nice box. Let's see if I can get this up. Oh, it's pretty here. It's got the nice jog dial. It's got the little antenna that comes up, the pair button. It's nice and silver. Looks roughly the same size as the 30K. The reason I picked the 50S was because I had seen a couple of reviews, and the 50R, I believe it's called, I found out that all of the wires and everything to the speakers are connected to the system. And now you can just stick it up in your helmet. You don't have to screw it in and all that jazz, but it didn't seem like you could just take it off and charge it without taking it all out of your helmet. So so that's why I picked this one. Let's see where's the inside here. The box. Got your microphone and your speakers. there. All right. Oh, looks like your speakers are already have foam on them. It doesn't look like the foam comes off, but there's already sticky stuff in the back. That's interesting. Okay. And then you've got this is what I was talking about with the screws. You have to unscrew it and put it in your helmet. And then, let's see if that is the same here. Yep, that's the same. You got to unscrew that to get the speakers out. So, all right. Well, let's get this like here. And let's see what this is. Oh. You have the book. DS book. And we've got all of our stickies and extender pads and wires. Oh, and here's a this is a different USB charging. It's the bigger one. You see the bigger one than the smaller USB. I can't remember what it's called. I think it might be USB 3, I believe, but hopefully it'll charge faster in that way. But and we got this wire. Oh, and here's a this is the new updater, and supposedly you can you hook this to Wi-Fi one time, and anytime you plug it in, it'll automatically update whether it is connected to your computer or not. I believe that's it. So you can comment below if it's wrong, but and if it is, forgive me. But that's pretty cool. So that's the Sena 50S unboxing, and oh, here's another boom mic that you can put on. But so I will get it in the helmet, and we'll have to check it out.